What's up, you guys? So today we are working with this highlighted curly unit from Nadula Hair. So we're gonna get straight into it. I'm just putting a little bit more makeup on just to make that cap a little bit more invisible. Then we're going in with our Erica J lace glue, and I just did probably like 2 or 3 layers of that and let it air dry. I do not blow dry this. So now what I'm doing is just plucking to get it looking as natural as possible, because it was like a little thicker to my liking, so I did want to pluck it a little bit. And you guys know I do pluck on my head and not on the mannequin head, because I just be feeling like I be over plucking, and I just like doing it this way, and this way always gives me good results. So after we're plucking, I'm just prepping my hairs for the baby hairs, and we're gonna go ahead and get started styling those. So now I'm using my pencil straightener, and I'm just curling these baby hairs before we put the little gel on there, so we can start doing these baby hairs. Now I wanted to do something simple, just so I can have some baby hairs, but I wasn't like doing like too much, so that's what I was trying to do. All in all, I feel like this came out really cute, and this color really complemented my skin. I really loved it, and it was just so natural looking. Alright, you guys, so this is the end result for this hairstyle. This is how the hair looks when it's like all the way dry after I treated it with water and I put a whole bunch of mousse on it, and this is what it looks like. This hair, pretty much, it wasn't that bad to manage. I've had this hair in for a couple days, and honestly the color is really cute. This hair is some good low maintenance hair if you just want like a low maintenance hairstyle to keep up with. It's really cute. Of course, the highlights always are really cute because we have the lighter blondes and then we have the brown mix, and it's just really cute. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give your girl a like, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you guys want more information on this unit, make sure you guys click the links down below and shop Nadula Hair. I love you guys. Stay blessed. GI babies, we out.